Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Blinkit store. Whether you've moved, are traveling, or simply want to explore different product options, updating your preferred store is a straightforward process. We'll go over the reasons why you might want to make this change, provide a simple, step-by-step guide on how to do it within the Blinkit app, and discuss what to expect after you've successfully updated your store. Get ready to customize your shopping experience. There are several common reasons why you might want to update your Blinkit store. Perhaps you've recently moved to a new home, making your previous store inconvenient. Or maybe you're on a trip, visiting friends or family in a different area, and need groceries delivered to your current location. Sometimes, you might just want to see what other stores offer in terms of product variety or special deals. Changing your store ensures you always get the best service for your current needs. Changing your Blinkit store is quite simple. First, open the Blinkit application on your mobile device. Look for the section related to your location or delivery address, which is usually found at the top of the screen or within your profile settings. From there, you can either select a new store directly or update your delivery address, which will automatically suggest the nearest available store. Once you've made your selection, confirm the changes, and you're all set to shop from your new preferred location. Once you've successfully changed your Blinkit store, you'll notice a few immediate differences. The products available for purchase, along with their prices, will now reflect the inventory of your newly selected store. Delivery times and options might also adjust based on the new location's operational hours and proximity. Remember, you have the flexibility to change your store as often as you need, ensuring your Blinkit experience is always tailored to your current whereabouts and preferences. Happy shopping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.